Hello, USA Tiny Tots English explorers. It's time for more alphabet magic on our journey from W to Z. Are you ready for some fantastic fun and learning? Let's dive in. Today we will learn about W is for, X is for, Y is for, Z is for. So let's get started. W is for watermelon. Watermelons are juicy and sweet. In the chat, tell me your favorite summer fruit. Watermelon? Mango? Refreshing choices, friends. X is for xylophone. It makes beautiful music. In the chat, tell me your favorite musical instrument. Maybe it's the guitar, piano, or drums. Rock on. Y is for yummy. What's your favorite treat or dessert? Share it in the chat. Ice cream, cookies, or maybe a delicious cake? So many tasty choices. Z is for zoo. Zoos have many animals. In the chat, tell me your favorite zoo animal. Lions, elephants, giraffes. Raw are some choices, friends. And that wraps up our adventure from W to Z. I had a blast exploring the alphabet with you. If you enjoyed it too, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to USA Tiny Tots English for more exciting journeys. Until next time, keep learning, keep smiling, and keep shining. Goodbye, little explorers.